How are every one of you doing? Thank you for returning to Shiba Inu crypto. People are becoming wealthy as a result of the SHIB top secret project. This day's news regarding Shiba Inus. Over the past few days, the price of the Shiba Inu appears to have been relieved of the pressure that was exerted on it by the inflation data that were released in the United States. It would appear that purchasers are no longer concerned with the significance of the numbers now that they have relocated out of the way. When it comes to the markets, the only thing that matters is that they went down a little bit. Before the heated relative strength index hits SHIB bulls on the shoulder, putting an end to the rally and making them money, you may anticipate a nice advance to 0.00160. Within this movie, we will discuss how the top secret project that SHIB is working on is making individuals wealthy. The latest news from Shiba. Remember to give us a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to our channel in order to view our most recent videos which contain expert analysis and price predictions for Shiba Inus. Right immediately, let's get started with the video. A 2-day mini sell-off that has now been forgotten was prompted by the data from the Consumer Price Index in the United States. Nevertheless, the price of Shiba Inus is currently beginning to rebound from that. Prices for Shiba have reached new highs for the week as a result of the discharge of good energy at this time. After the market opens for trading on Wednesday, traders will be interested in seeing whether or not the positive sentiment will carry over into the U.S. session. It is very crucial for traders of SHIB to pay attention to the monthly roan as well as the green trend line that is ascending near 0.00014. It is possible that bulls will be prepared to head for the monthly R2 if that level is breached on a daily basis. The Relative Strength Index RSI will cross the overpriced line when it reaches a value that is close to 0. Interesting discovery. Welcome to 60-102, a fugitive platinum plus alcoholic acid. Due to the fact that bulls will want to cash out after a gain of 24%, there is a slight possibility that a double top may occur. The fact that it has been reported by multiple military sources that additional Russian aircraft and helicopters are in close proximity to vital locations in Ukraine poses a greater threat. The next ground assault that Russia launches will most likely be supported by air forces, according to what we currently know. The situation would become even more dire as a result, and Europe would be forced to breach its red line and dispatch fighter jets to Ukraine at a moment when the conflict is at its most desperate. Being able to climb and descend stairs is one of the most challenging activities for Shiba Inus. The value of the cryptocurrency on the market has increased significantly, but the volume of transactions has not kept pace with this growth. Due to the fact that it is unable to expand, it may be difficult for the cryptocurrency to expand over the long term. That there are now 589 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation is another significant issue that needs to be resolved. This is a problem that needs to be addressed. There are a great number of tokens in circulation, which means that dilution is a significant issue. As a result, the token's value can decrease over the course of time. Despite the fact that there are significant issues, the SHIB army continues to have a positive outlook regarding the potential of the cryptocurrency in the long run. It is possible that the Shiba Inu coin is more than just a speculative asset due to the fact that the community is committed to developing relationships and scenarios that pertain to the actual world. In addition to this, they are dedicated to philanthropic initiatives. A variety of projects, including a decentralized exchange, a platform for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and a payment channel have been initiated by the SHIB army as evidence of its willingness to provide value that goes beyond mere speculation, has been instrumental in spreading positive information about the Shiba Inu currency, which may contribute to the coin's increased popularity and credibility. It is currently widely believed within the community that the cost of shib will increase as a consequence of all of these developments. Those that purchase Shiba Inus believe that the value of shib could reach as high as 1 cent or perhaps $1. On the other side, it is actually very remarkable how difficult it is for cryptocurrencies to reach even 1 cent. The market value of Shiba Inu coins is approximately $7.05 billion, while the value of a single Shiba Inu coin is approximately 13 cents. If SHIB were to reach 1 cent, it would require an investment of 1,000 times more money than it already does. To make this a reality, there would need to be a significant amount of investment and a strong desire for the SHIB token, which is a difficult thing to accomplish. To provide you with an idea of the magnitude of this, the value of Bitcoin, which is the most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, is approximately $468 billion on the market. In the event if the SHIB token arrived at a market value of $46 billion, which would be a significant achievement, it would still only be 10% of the size of Bitcoin. It has become normal practice to burn tokens in order to increase the value of certain cryptocurrencies and reduce the overall supply of those coins. However, burning tokens is not a simple answer for all of the issues that a cryptocurrency is experiencing, and it can have complicated repercussions on the cryptocurrency's ability to survive in the long term. In the short term, token burns may be able to assist in reducing the supply of a cryptocurrency, which may result in an increase in the value of the cryptocurrency. In terms of growth over the long run, this is not a good approach. The burning of tokens does not result in any new applications or advantages for the coin, which is another factor that might have an impact on the value of the coin over the course of time. It is possible that the value of the cryptocurrency increased in the short term as a result of the burning of 83 billion Shiba Inu coins. The market capitalization of Shiba Inu, on the other hand, is merely 0.15% of it. In addition, the burning of tokens is another factor that might be detrimental to the long-term stability of a coin. An excessive number of coin burns has the potential to impede the growth and development of a cryptocurrency in the future. As a result of the enormous supply, there is a significant possibility that the SHIB token will be diluted, which may result in a decrease in its value over the course of time. The potential for growth and innovation in the cryptocurrency industry might also be hindered by the burning of tokens. It is possible for a cryptocurrency to restrict the amount of money that may be utilized for future growth and connections if it burns an excessive amount of tokens. Shibarium is the solution, according to Satoshi Kusama, who is in charge of manufacturing Shiba Inus. He has made the decision to teach anybody who are interested in learning about it. Over the past day, the head writer for Shiba Inu published a blog post in which they elaborated on the fundamental principles that guide the organization. A list of the religions that Shiba Inu is tolerant of is also included. During the Shibarium beta testing stage, it is more vital than ever before to collaborate with these individuals. Projects, enterprises, and other organizations are the target audience for the Shibarium team and its community, and they want them to understand what they stand for. A Shiba Inu burn is an essential component of every Shibarium project since it demonstrates the values that the company upholds. On the other hand, the developer did take note of the fact that frauds on the L2 scaling system are very certain to occur. Shiba Inu will combat FOID by requiring us to conduct our own research while simultaneously instructing us on new initiatives. Giving to charitable organizations will be one of the Shibarium team's main priorities as they work toward their goal of assisting the community as a whole. It is planned that a portion of the profits made by Shibarium will be donated to the Shibarium DAO Foundation. It will be determined by the foundation what the most valuable assets of the DAO can be put to use for. Shiba Inus are welcoming to people of all faiths, according to Shaitoshi, who made this announcement in a warm and welcoming message to everyone in the world. Atheists,